Yeah, my name's John Elwood. I'm from the Allora Sports Club, and as you can see, we incorporate the bowls green, which in the last month we've just installed some fantastic new LED lights for our night bowls competition. Every Tuesday night during the summer months we have 14 teams of night bowlers. Tuesday night in Allora at the Bowls Club is the happiest place in town. Thanks to our new lights, the brightness is just perfect. In fact, the previous lights were here for about 20 years and we considered that they were too bright at times and made it difficult for some of our older bowlers to focus on the delivery, but these new ones are just absolutely fantastic and we simply could not be happier. So we'd like to particularly thank Willie Duff, who is our local Sparky, for installing the lights with the assistance of Nick Morris, and also the committee of the Sports Club, who produced enough funding to get the lights installed. So no, we're really happy with the lights, and this will lead to much happier bowlers for many years to come.